Hello friends, hi, how are you doing all? I hope you all are doing great. So I am Manish and today I have came with a website, and this particular website was created by me and designed by me itself. So in this website I'm going to describe some details about the website, what I have created, and whatever the options and pages are available. And also there is a part 1. The part 2 is going to come in the next time. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and help others to check this particular video, and help me as well for getting some good subscribers. Okay, and yeah, if you require any kind of application, website, software, templates, logo, virtual assistant, uh, IT support, digital marketing, promotion, any kind of thing, online, any kind of thing, we provide you complete support over the online. Okay, so please stay tuned and check the video. I'm just sharing my screen. Thank you. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and share this particular video. Okay, because in future I'm going to come with lots of technical videos and many things you're going to learn. Okay, don't worry, and thank you so much. Keep supporting.
So, welcome friends. Here I'm going to share how you can find out the particular website in Google. Or you can find it out from any web platform. So you have to type www.maadur graphy.com. So you have to search with www.maadurgaphotography.com. Very good hotel. Once you have clicked in this, in the first only you will find out the home page. Home Maa Durga Photography. You have to click on this. After that, the website will get open. You can see Maa Durga Photography logo here, and also Maa Durga Photography name and their tagline. We know the value of special moments which you want to capture. Yeah, so basically they are photography and videography team based from Raiganj, Uttar Dinajpur, West Bengal, India. So here you can see the option for home screen streaming, video streaming option I have given. So whatever the work they have done, and there are video graphy team. So they have worked previously, and one of the work is this. So I'm just playing a little bit for you, and it's YouTube link.
Smoking is injurious to health. It causes cancer. ধূমপান স্বাস্থ্যের পক্ষে ক্ষতিকারক। ধূমপান ক্যান্সারের কারণ।
So you can see it's almost very easy to use the streaming options. You can see YouTube, yeah, of course it's a YouTube link, so that's why you can see all the options of YouTube. So it will be very easy to stream and check the option and check each and every option. You can do full screen, and also you can see the video. So in their YouTube channel, whatever the video is already uploaded, you can see the options are already put in there. So I will come on that later. So yeah, let's play a next video. It's really awesome. Whatever the videography they used to do, it's really awesome. They really do an awesome work. They belong from a small town and they're working well. So here is the chat options I have given. If you have any kind of query or if you want to book them, then you can write down your name, your email ID, your phone number, your questions or queries, and start chatting with them directly from the website. And here is okay. So it was created by us. You can check my website. It's vt-india.com. So you can request us for creating your website, application, software, or anything. We provide online services. Okay. We create logo, templates. We do digital marketing as well. So there is more options are available in the website, like about us, portfolio, clients, blog, more. And more if you're clicking, then we are getting the option for contact, booking online, forums. Apart from this, one more option is available here. You can see, I will show you. Just give me a moment.
আসতে পারি? আসুন। নমস্কার, আমার নাম জয়। আমার
It's not coming. So sometimes what you will get is like previous video you have seen a option thing for updated video, which is there in the YouTube channel. So sometimes it comes, so you can directly click on that and directly go to the YouTube channel and you can watch other videos. So that's all. Yeah, one more option is there, login. So if you want to be a part of Maa Durga photography directly, you can go to this login option, and after that, if you want to log in through Facebook or Gmail account, Google account, you can directly click on that, and it will ask you to select your email. So yeah, I'm just checking it as As my name is Manish Mahi and I have a mail ID with this and this for login. So yeah, now I'm a part of this website. So here you can create your account, you get the option, profile, my job, my bookings, my wallet, my account and login option. So if you click on logout, so you get log out from their site. Apart from this, many other options are available. So please stay tuned for part 2. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching, guys, and really appreciate it. So you please subscribe this particular video, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and in every social media platform, and please check our website. And if you require website, application, software, template, logo, online promotion, digital marketing, video, everything. Even we provide virtual assistant services as well.